This stylish washing machine from Candy is perfect if you're looking for a smart model to make laundry days effortless. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an amazing A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. This model can be remotely controlled using Candy's Simplify app from your smartphone or tablet. Once you've downloaded the app for free, you can turn your machine on and off, choose your wash cycle, and monitor the progress of your laundry. It also has an amazing voice activation feature, which allows you to control your machine just by talking to it, perfect when you have your hands full with other tasks. So you'll have clean laundry ready when you get home, without even having to lift a finger. With Candy's amazing Zoom option, you can wash any type of clothing you want in under an hour. Just press the Zoom icon after choosing your wash program, and in 59 minutes your clothes will be fresh and clean. And because the detergent and water is released directly onto the laundry through powerful jets, you get an amazing wash every time. Meaning you can cut down on wash times without compromising on quality. Perfect when you need a clean outfit midweek. If you're looking for a washing machine to make laundry days effortless, this smart model from Candy is an excellent choice.